Good morning. Welcome. Please come in and have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here today.
Let's begin. Could you please introduce yourself and tell me which position you're applying for?
Sure. My name is Michael Vallejos. I'm a civil engineering student in my third year and I'm applying to the civil engineering position in your infrastructure development team.
Great. Can you tell me more about your academic background? Where are you studying and what have you focused on so far?
I'm currently studying at Technological University of Peru in Piura. Over the last few years, I've focused on structural design, on geotechnical engineering. I also taken extra workshops in AutoCAD and soil mechanics because I believe technical skills are essential in your field.
Sounds good. Have you received any academic recognition or been involved in any notable project?
Yes, I've been constantly in the top 10% of my class. And last semester, I participated in a rich project about soil consolidation in coastal areas, which was presented at National Student Congress. Additionally, I volunteered to help design basic housing model for rural communities affected by landslides. That experience very meaningful to me.
That's very impressive. Now, do you have any previous work experience or internships?
Yes, last summer I interned at a local construction company called Lisplac. I worked direct with the site engineering on this road improvement project. My tasks including supervising excavation works, checking material deliveries, and preparing daily reports. I also learned how to interpret technical drawings on site and apply safety protocols. It was challenging at times, but I learned a lot.
Very interesting. What would you say are your main strengths as a future civil engineer?
I believe my main strength is my commitment to quality and safety. I pay close attention on details, especially when reviewing plans or checking measurements. I also very curious to and eager to learn, and I enjoy to solving problems on top. I used to working under pressure and adapting quickly to change on site.
Good qualities for this kind of work. What are your professional goals for the next few years?
In the next 5 years, I plan to finish my degree. I get my professional license and work full-time on a company like yours, where I can participate in large-scale infrastructure projects. I like to, especially in sustainable construction methods. Since I think it's important to reduce the environmental impact of civil works.
And what are you hoping to get out of this internship?
I like to gain more field experience, improve my technical and communication skills, and learn from more experienced engineers. I also want to contribute with responsibility and enthusiasm. I believe that internships are a key of our formation, and I'm ready to take on the challenge.
Okay, let's talk now about your lifestyle. How do you take care of your health and manage stress during studies and work?
So I try to keep a healthy routine. I usually exercise 3 times a week. I go jogging to running to the gym. I also drink plenty on the water and avoid fast food. When I feel overwhelmed, I take short breaks or friends talk. I believe staying balanced is essential, especially in a demanding career like engineering.
That's great to hear. Now, before we finish, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, thank you. First, I'd like to know if the intern participant in on-site supervision or just in office work. And second, is there a possibility of staying with the company after the internship?
Good questions. Our interns usually rotate between office and fieldwork, depending on the project phase. And yes, many of our interns become junior engineers after graduation if their performance is strong.
That's very encouraging. Thank you so much for the opportunity to apply.
You're welcome, Michael. It was a pleasure meeting you. We'll contact you soon. Have a great day.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.